Okay, quick question. Have you ever wished your AI assistant could actually understand your documents, your specific research, and your unique knowledge without you having to explain everything over and over again? It's arguably the most frustrating part of using AI today. Well, Google just dropped one of the biggest productivity upgrades of the year, and it completely eliminates that frustration. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking exactly how Google just bridged a massive gap in artificial intelligence and why it's going to radically change the way you work.
Just pause for a second and imagine this. What if your AI had already read your entire company handbook? What if it memorized your marketing strategy or literally read your entire semester's worth of study materials? Imagine an assistant that needs absolutely zero background explanation before getting to work. I know it sounds a bit like sci-fi, but honestly, it's here today. To really grasp why this is such a huge deal, we got to look at the major conflict we had before this update. For a while now, Google's NotebookLM and Gemini felt like two totally isolated islands. On one hand, we had NotebookLM. This was the brain. It was amazing for grounded research. You uploaded your PDFs, websites, and reports, and it gave you answers based purely on your content. On the other hand, we had Gemini Gems. This was the personality. Gems allowed you to create custom AI assistants with permanent instructions and specific roles. But here was the major problem. The knowledge and the assistant were totally separated. Your documents lived in NotebookLM, but your custom AI lived over in Gemini.
But Google just connected them. They officially built the bridge we've all been waiting for. You can now attach your NotebookLM notebooks straight into your Gemini Gems. You're combining the deep, grounded brain of NotebookLM with the highly customizable personality and execution power of Gemini Gems.
This is a massive shift, guys. We're moving away from constantly prompting a generic blank slate chatbot, and we're stepping right into the era of building custom AI workers. Instead of starting from scratch every single time you open a chat window, you're essentially creating a specialized digital assistant powered entirely by your personal knowledge base. It's basically like hiring an employee who has already read every single document in your company before their first day. Let's look at exactly how this plays out in the real world.
Let's say you're a content creator or YouTuber. You can take all of your complex analytics reports, your competitor research, audience insights, and your SEO guides, and just dump them right into NotebookLM. Then you create a Gemini gem and simply name it your YouTube growth expert. Now, whenever you ask a question, that gem automatically references all of that uploaded research. You don't need to explain your niche or paste huge walls of text into the prompt. The AI just already knows your brand.
And this brilliantly illustrates how adaptable this tech is. Take a student, for example. You can upload those heavy textbooks, your messy lecture notes, and your study guides to create a personalized tutor gem. Suddenly, you've got an interactive, highly personalized AI teacher that is trained exactly on your course materials. It's not just giving you generic answers from the web. It's actively tutoring you based on the exact curriculum you need to learn.
For businesses and consultants, the stakes are even higher. You can upload your standard operating procedures, policies, training manuals, and internal docs to spin up an employee support gem. When new hires come on board, they don't have to tap someone on the shoulder every 5 minutes. They instantly get accurate answers grounded in your actual company policies. It is an incredible, instant onboarding tool.
Okay, so how do we actually build one of these AI experts? Let's walk through the setup.
You might be thinking this requires a degree in computer science to get running. But it's shockingly simple. Here is your rapid-fire execution plan. Step 1. Create your NotebookLM notebook and upload all the source documents you want the AI to understand. Step 2. Open Gemini. Go to the Gem section and hit New Gem. Step 3. Give your gem a specific role, like professional research analyst or startup consultant. Step 4. Write clear instructions. Tell the gem its tone, its format, and exactly how it should behave. Step 5, and this is the magic key, attach your NotebookLM notebook right there from the source options. Finally, step 6, hit save. That is literally it. No more copy-pasting. Every future conversation will automatically use that knowledge base. Now that we've got it set up, let's look at the pro features, the insane advantages that are flying way under the radar.
We need to elevate this beyond the basic tech headlines. First up, dynamic syncing. If you update your sources in NotebookLM tomorrow, your gem automatically stays updated. There is zero re-uploading, rebuilding, or retraining required. It just syncs. Second, we have massive source scaling. Traditional gems had pretty small upload limits, but NotebookLM can handle huge collections. Reports are saying up to hundreds of documents can be referenced. Third, and this honestly might be the most powerful feature of all, live web cross-referencing. Your gem can look at your private knowledge base and compare it against current live data on the web. Imagine analyzing your private market research against live, real-time industry changes. Most AI systems completely fail at that. And finally, Google Workspace integration. This custom assistant can help you create content directly inside your Docs, Sheets, and Gmail workflows. Your research and your execution exist in one seamless ecosystem.
But look, we always want to keep it real here. Let's talk about the limitations.
This system is absolutely incredible, but it's not perfect, and we want to impartially outline exactly what it currently cannot do so you know what you're working with. First, the integration is strictly read-only. Gemini can access and read your NotebookLM sources, but it absolutely cannot edit them. Second, your gem cannot see your past NotebookLM chat histories, generated notes, or certain workspace artifacts. It is purely looking at the source documents themselves. And lastly, if you're working within a corporate Google Workspace account, your IT administrator might actually need to manually enable access for both Gemini and NotebookLM before you can link them up. Definitely keep those restrictions in mind as you design your workflows.
When we zoom out and look at all this source material, the biggest takeaway is pretty profound. We are officially moving beyond generic AI chatbots. We're entering the era of AI workspaces. Instead of starting every single morning from scratch, we are building persistent, highly specialized AI experts powered by our own unique intelligence combined with Gemini's execution. This absolutely proves that knowledge-powered digital assistants are rapidly becoming the standard future of work as we look toward 2026.
The question is no longer whether this technology will change how people work. The question is how quickly you are going to start using it. So I want to hear from you directly. What will you build with a NotebookLM-powered Gemini Gem? Are you going to build a personalized study assistant, a highly trained business consultant, a customized content strategist? Drop down and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and man, I look forward to seeing the incredible AI workers you start building today.